Are you one of the hundreds of millions of people that use Instagram on a daily basis? And if you are, do you use Instagram to make money online? Because Instagram is one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, and there are people out there that use Instagram to make money on a daily basis. And today, on this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram in 2021 as a complete beginner. I'm going to show you where you can get a product to promote, how to get photos in a specific niche and videos so that you can start to make money on Instagram in 2021. I'm going to walk you through this entire strategy step by step, so make sure you watch this entire video as I'm going to show you a few ways that you can get started, and we're starting right now. Hey guys, I want to show you how to make money on Instagram, and something that I've noticed on my Instagram profile, but I want to show you how to do it in a niche that's absolutely blowing up, that gets a lot of views, that gets a lot of clicks, and gets a lot of interest as well. And this is a niche that you can get into after watching this video. But before I show you that niche, guys, what we need to do is we need to go to a platform like either clickbank.com or digistore24, and we need to find a product to promote. So what you want to do when you're on ClickBank is you want to sign up, because what we need to do is we need to offer an affiliate product where people can click onto it, and once they click onto it, they're going to be able to purchase that. We're going to promote this product using videos and using posts on Instagram as well. So once you come over here and you sign up, what's going to happen is you're going to end up on ClickBank's back office over here. And what you want to do when you're in their back office over here, you can see that they've got all these different categories. And what you want to do for the purposes of this video and this specific niche, if you scroll down here and click onto sport, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now, sport does really well on Instagram, whether it be baseball, whether it be football, whether it be cricket, whether it be basketball, any type of sport. There is a huge demand and a lot of interest on Instagram. And when you come over here and click onto sports, you've got vertical jump shots for basketball. If you come over here, you've got a lot of golf products over here as well. Golf is huge, okay, on Instagram, and a lot of people make a lot of money on Instagram utilizing these different types of sporting niches, okay. For this video today, what we're going to be looking at over here is we're going to look at this product over here called the vertical jump training vertical shot. I'm going to show you how to get videos. I'm going to show you where you're going to get different types of images that you can put on your own Instagram account, and how you're going to promote this product over here using those videos on Instagram. Because what I've found on Instagram, if I come over here to my Instagram profile over here, as you can see, I've only got 1,000 subscribers. It's something that I've been building steadily. But when you come over here and look at my engagement, a lot of my posts will get anything from 20 to 50 to 60 likes, comments, etc. But when I come over here, and lately when I've been putting up these Instagram TV type of posts over here, which is these ones over here, these videos, what's happening is I'm getting 5 times more views and engagement on these videos. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and as you can see, they can be as long as you want, but I'm going to show you where you can get all these videos to help you promote, and how you're going to put a call to action so that you can convert this and make money on Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do when you're on ClickBank over here is you want to come over here and you want to click this link over here, which is going to show you the product, and you also want to open up this affiliates page over here as well. So once you open up that affiliates page, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this, and as you can see here, you've got all these resources over here that you can use to promote these different types of products. In this particular case, you don't need a lot of this stuff over here, but what you can do is once you click onto this link over here, which is going to show you what the person that clicks onto your link is going to see, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this, and this is what they're going to see. So it's basically a product that teaches people how to jump higher and how to slam dunk. You can imagine anybody that's interested in learning how to play basketball wants to know how to slam dunk or how to get better at slam dunking. And this is why having an Instagram profile in basketball is going to help you convert this product. So what you want to do when you're on this page over here is you want to have a look at what resources can you use from this page over here that's going to help you promote this product. And one of the ones that I can see over here is definitely these videos over here, and I'm going to show you where you can get photos. So once you have a product that you want to promote, like this one over here, what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to click onto this promote button over here. you want to come over here and you want to generate this link over here. This is the link that you're going to use to promote, okay? I'm going to show you how to shorten that link. So you want to copy that, you want to minimize that, and then what you can do is you can come over to a platform like this one over here called tinyurl. All you need to do is paste that link in there, and then what you can do from here is you can change this alias over here to dunk or something like learn to dunk, okay? And the cool thing about this is click onto that tiny URL over here, so click onto that to shorten that, and as you can see, tinyurl.com learn to dunk. So you can come over here, guys, and you can copy that, and that's what we're going to be pasting inside the profile of our Instagram account. So just like if you come over to my Instagram profile over here, I've got this Linktree link. This is where you're going to paste your tiny URL. So what you want to do is you want to come over to Instagram, you want to create an account for yourself, just like I have over here. So all you need to do is come over to Instagram and you can search for different types of basketball profiles over here that you can find that you can copy, just like these guys have over here. When I say copy, take inspiration, okay? So as you can see, here's somebody that's doing this, guys. They've got 909,000 followers, and all you need to do is come over here, type in hashtag NBA or type in hashtag basketball, come over here and take a look at what all these other profiles are doing. So once you come over to Instagram and you create your own profile just like this, then it's time to fill it with videos and images. And in order to get these videos, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the videos that you found over here on the sales page of this product, okay? And as you can see, they've got all these videos over here that you could potentially use to promote this product. So let's say we wanted to use this video over here. What you will do is you can very easily come over here, copy this title over here. So just come over here, copy this, and then what you want to do is you want to come straight over to YouTube over here and you want to paste that inside there, okay? What this is going to do is it's going to find this video, okay? As you can see, you got a 3-minute video, you got a 2-minute video. Now these videos, as you can see, are obviously videos that are part of this product over here, which is called VertShock, okay? So you can come over here, take these videos because you're going to be promoting their product, okay? So what you want to do is you want to come over here, guys, and then you want to click onto, let's say, this video over here. Actually, let's use this video over here. So click onto that. We're going to pause this video over here. We're going to come over here to this share button and we're going to copy that, and then we're going to minimize that. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to this platform over here called Y2MP3 or YouTube to MP3, YouTube to MP4. You're going to click onto MP4 over here. You're going to paste that in there and you're going to click on to convert. Once you click on to convert, what you're going to do, as you can see, is checking that video there. And then what's going to happen, you're going to download this video. So as you can see, you're going to come over here and you're going to download this video. Once you've downloaded that video, what you want to do is you want to come over to canva.com, because what we're going to do is we're going to take that video now, we're going to import it to Canva, and we're going to import it in the right size so we can upload it to Instagram. Now, if you're enjoying this video, guys, make sure you smash that like button in appreciation. Go down the bottom and just comment, I love making money online, and let me know that you're in the giveaway. So make sure before you leave this video, click onto the link in my description and sign up for that giveaway. So once you're on this page, guys, what you want to do is you want to come over here, and if you type in Instagram, for example, you're going to see that you've got Instagram posts and you've got Instagram reel videos. This is really important because an Instagram post is 1080 by 1080 and an Instagram reel video is 1080 by 920. It's a different size, and if you get it wrong, you won't be able to upload this onto Instagram. So what you want to do is for this one, you want to select Instagram reel video. Once you do that, it's going to open up and it's going to look something like this. Now what we need to do is we need to grab that video that we just downloaded onto our computer and put it onto here. So what you want to do is you need to come over here and you need to click onto uploads because we want to upload that video. Once you click onto uploads, you come over here to device over here, and this is the video that we want to download over here. So as you can see, this is now downloading to our Canva profile over here. So once that downloads, what you want to do is you want to quite simply grab that and just drop it over here. Once that drops over here, as you can see, you can expand this, and this is the video. Now this is going to play. Now don't worry, when somebody clicks onto this on Instagram, they can obviously look at it in a much bigger picture, okay? This is just to download it onto Instagram. Now what we're looking to do is we're looking to create something that's going to look like this. Learn to dunk like a pro. Click the link in my bio now, because this is the call to action. As you can see, we've got our video over here. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here to elements. And very simply with elements, you just want to come over here, you want to click onto this option over here, you're going to drag this over here, push that down, slide this over, change the color over here very quickly, okay guys, and then you can just come over here, you can copy that, paste it over here, drag that down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a call to action. Come over here to text. Once you're in text over here, click on to add a heading, move this over to here, and then just create a call to action that you want to have over here, okay? So just move this over to here. So just like I have created over here, as you can see, learn to dunk like a pro, you can do the same thing over here, because what we're going to do, we're not always going to be putting these types of videos up, but we're going to be putting these videos up every, once a week or every 5 to 10 posts, okay? So you want to come over here and very simply just type in something like learn to dunk like a pro as an example, and then all you need to do, guys, is if you need to minimize this, just come over here, minimize it, and just expand that over there. As you can see, very, very simple. Then all you need to do is come over here and type that up over here as well. Click the link in my bio. And I'm going to save us some time. So this is what you want to do. This is how you're going to create this very simple video and a simple call to action. From there, what you want to do is you want to come over here and very simply you want to click on to download, and you want to download that as an MP4 video, okay? And that's going to download to your computer. Now once that downloads to your computer, all you need to do is come over to your Instagram profile over here, and as you can see, you come over here to Instagram TV, click onto that over there, and as you can see, you've got this upload button over here. Now very simply, all you need to do is come over here, click onto upload, and then over here you can click onto this plus button. Once you click onto that, you can come over here, double click onto that video that we've just created over here, and as you click onto that, you can see here that this is now downloading onto our Instagram profile, and this is where you can add a title, you can add your description, you can add your hashtags, and all this you can get from all these other profiles that these guys are doing the exact same thing to get a lot of engagement, to get a lot of views as well. And when you look at this profile over here, guys, you can see that with their posts, they're getting about 3,000, 4,000, a few thousand likes over here. But when you come over to the Instagram TV over here, you can see here that they're getting 60,000 and 80,000 and 140,000, etc. So you can see here that even their videos are getting a lot more views and a lot more engagement, okay? So what happens from here, as you can see, this is now being downloaded. Very simply put in your title, put in your description over here, and then you can post this onto your Instagram profile. So this is how you're going to upload these videos. I'm just going to go back over here, okay, because I want to show you now what you want to do is you want to upload these posts as well. And in order to upload these posts, guys, and to create these very, very simple posts, all you need to do is get these images from somewhere. Now, obviously, a lot of people will tell you that you can use a lot of the different posts and a lot of the different images that you can see over here as well as inspiration. The other thing that you can do, guys, is you can very easily come over and get ideas from different types of NBA websites, basketball websites, etc. Another thing that a lot of people do, guys, is very easily they come over to Instagram like this, they type in NBA, they scroll down and they find all these different images over here that you can use as well on your own Instagram profile as well. And this is what people have been doing for a very long time. So if you click onto something like this, come over here, copy this image as an example. Once you've copied that image, all you need to do is come back over to Canva over here. And remember, now what we're doing is we're doing an Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080. It's no longer an Instagram reel. So you want to click onto that. Once you click onto that, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this, and all you need to do is quite simply paste that image inside here, okay? And as you can see, that fits perfectly in here. Now, if you want to create some engagement on something like this, all you need to do, for example, is come over here to elements again, grab something like this, guys, scroll it down over here, and all you need to do is put something in here like legend or not, okay? And you can very easily, so when you click onto that, you can come over here to this transparency and just minimize that there like that so you can see it, okay? And to create engagement, all you need to do is come over here, grab this, make it white, okay? So change, and all you need to do is type something in like this, okay? Because what this is going to do is it's going to give you engagement. The more engagement you get, the more people are going to follow you. Legend, yes or no? Question mark. Okay, so all you need to do is expand this. Okay, so just leave that, and people are going to see yes or no. Then all you need to do from here, guys, is come over here, download this, as you can see, as a PNG image. Come over here, click onto download. This is now going to download onto our computer. Now, once this downloads, all you need to do, guys, is obviously upload this onto Instagram. This is how you're going to upload different types of images. This is how you're going to upload these videos. Now, in order for you to make money on Instagram, you need to have people on your profile. You need to have people clicking on these different types of videos and images that you're uploading. So how are you going to get people to follow you? So once you've created your own Instagram account over here, now what you need to do is you need to get people to follow you. So the first thing you need to do is come over here and upload a lot of these different types of images and these different types of videos. From there, what you want to do is you want to come over to these different types of Instagram profiles that other people have, and what you want to do is you want to click onto all these images that people have, and you don't need to follow these other people, but what you can do, as you can see, there's a lot of people just only a couple of hours ago that come over here and comment on these images and videos, and what you want to do is you want to reply to them. You don't want to follow them, you don't want to do anything like this, because they're going to get notified of your reply. They're going to see what your name is, they're going to see that this is similar to what they like, and then more than likely they will follow you, okay? And if they follow you, you're going to get a lot of engagement, you're going to get a lot of views, and for anybody that's interested in improving their jump game, what's going to happen is they're going to come over here, they're going to click onto your profile over here, and if they click onto it and they come over here and purchase this product, you're going to make $40 every single time people do this. It's about building awareness in a niche that you're in, and the more people that follow you, because a lot of people that are into basketball are going to follow you, and if they follow you, they will click onto that link, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating a call to action in this niche with that video, and this is going to allow you to make money on Instagram in 2021. Really hope that you enjoyed this strategy on how to make money on Instagram in 2021. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. But if you want to start affiliate marketing and you want something that's easy, free, and step-by-step, click onto this video over here right now for a complete tutorial of how you can get started as a complete beginner. I'm going to show you different ways that you can promote products. Highly recommend that you click onto this video right now. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, you take care of yourselves.